The next widget that we are going to check is list and grid. So what's that? Let's take the widget first. List, grid, display PDF viewer. This widget also needs the display PDF viewer add-on. Get this add-on from theme and code and you can use the list grid function. So list and grid have two different types. You can either choose grid or list. Let's check the grid first. You can sort by all, by category, or by selected viewers. I am selecting all. This is also the open type of pop-up and link. And you can choose either you want to show it in 4 columns, 3 columns, or 2 columns. You can disable or enable the filtering, sorting, and searching options. Then click on update. And when you see or reload the page, you can see a grid of PDFs has come on. You can search by name, you can sort by different orders, or search by categories as well. So it's a brilliant feature to work with WordPress. Now the next option is list. From the grid option, choose list, and then you can get the same options, and there is a list of PDFs. There are no description written by me in the description of PDF viewers. That is why it is showing a blank space. But if you put any description, it will come up here. This is a nice way to show the list of PDF that is on your WordPress website to your visitors. Thank you.